Now say, I'm talk about say Rasta.
What up, Rasta?
Everything Chris Rasta.
Yeah.
Tinini palo Paul Total. Penny want ticket. Uti dance all tinini.
You down,
Uti dance all.
Oh, right about now we ready. As I told you, I have my co-MC in the building, MC Ra.
So now, Tinini want to get and gallo, kind of chell and yen work and work or where a cello kind of deep to only 2 miles Uganda, Uganda, East Africa. So in a meeting and radio.
Let me introduce to you Jenny Baby.
Jenny Baby, who is another one? Strong for
Jenny
life,
baby.
for baby.
What?
Caimiro Necho Mario, Ankiri, Baby Trio, you put you come to it, and no better to tea. Temporary, we very good. Tomiro Mara, Tomiro Gay, Tomiro Kea. Ay, 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 ay. It's all a bilwa. You can say more. Leke yoga, or it got it. You know, way Mara. How do it got it? Jolene, honey, welcome back. It's Gamjamichi, you temara moro. I will need your Mario. Better you put you come to it, and no better to tea. Temporary, we will get it. I will need your Mario. Better you put you come to it, and no better to tea. Temporary, we will get it. Husband must be carry, must have respect. He's so mara, me want to them, you want to them. I love me husband must be carry, must have respect. He's so mara, me want to them, you want to them. It was on my bed, Calutino. That would have made no one. I lost his heart. Jenny baby, malu 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 malu. Malu 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 malu. You wanna see me? Call my phone. He me tonena, boy ya chindo. You wanna see me? Call my number. Robo dagala, konako. You wanna see me? Call my phone. He me tonena, boy ya chindo. You wanna feel me? It's a medical better business. It don't care Gaya business. Afternoon time, it's time for my lunch. Talking it in the middle where you are. Without telling how we are. Gaya how we are. Hey, join baby, join my mara. You wanna see me? Call my phone. Himitonena Goya Shimdo. You wanna feel me? Call my number. You botagala konako. You wanna see me? Call my phone. Himitonena Goya Shimdo. You wanna feel me? Call my number. Ayo, Guaralão, o Mirucut, Wow, DJ Young.
Yeah, that's amazing, man. I was so happy and so impressed about this little girl, man. Just come around here and she's like, but you are, yeah. I mean, radio, she was live in the house. This is the greatest show of all session on your favorite radio. It's Jamani Ramon and Waka, Kennedy, Bobie Entertainment, Manu YouTube channel, on your Ramon checking why Unit FM 97.7.
You know, this is Ain't My Show, and I ain't gonna be talking a lot, but this time round up, I don't want to waste a lot of time, man. I'm just gonna introduce one of the baddest artists that you ever heard about. Time round up, I'm bringing one of the biggest acts in the land, and you never heard about him, man. And this time round up, if it's your first time to know him, he's a musical doctor, producer, and an artist. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting no time, let's give it up for one and only the musical doctor straight from this land, and it's none other than Doctor F to the L to the E to the double X to the Y, Dr. Flexi. Show some love.
I need my boat. I didn't need boat. Like I can't be man. Doctor, no people people well. Like I can't be man. Like say no people people well. I'm a learning when you when you holding a I'm the big thing and say me dig you here. Gonna go put you around. You know how to play dig you here. Gonna go put you around. Me dig you here. Gonna go put you around. You know how to play dig you here. Gonna go put you around. Got a little to Johnny, don't get to get popular. I don't know mama, get a thing here to keep up with you. You know what I mean? Give me a little bit of that. You want to know now? I will make a car, tell like you here. I will make a pee, tell like you here. I will make a car, tell like you here. I'm gonna get a bad give it. Gonna go put you around. You know what I mean? Give it. Gonna go put you around.
Come mega do, pero gina mega petting at tomorrow, romo, loco, dog, mega
Kobe, yeah.
And I am funny.
Anything they always say about me.
It's my life.
Kinder cake and I make it Kobe, come on.
And I am funny. Making my money, changing my life. Same time helping my baby. It makes my life good. Better for a euro, better than I am. What you are buying and a wow, you want to not try to follow.
I didn't get it down, I'll come, Jaiko. Now, got toy when you come for a ticket. Why we don't want to look for the Coco? Look at the picture of the community. Why we never need for a Kalakaya? Hey, me for a Kalakaya. Just me never for a Kalakaya. Me for a Kalakaya. This one is full of whatever. Hey, Kalakaya. This one is full of whatever. Kalakaya, we love me to call it Kobe. And Petit Gutawa, Chan, we love me to call it Kobe. Petit Gunero, what no miracle and in back. Oh, Betul and in back. I can't Guru Jodu, you're not bad. Look at all business. The Guru Jodu, Jami. He tell me he get up on Papa Derry. One love, one people. What to make it feel like that? One minute, for a Kaya Kaya. Hey, for a Kaya Kaya. Miracle Kaya Kaya. Miracle Kaya Kaya. This man is full of whatever. Hey, I can't even wake up, you do it. We are there. Kaya Kaya, we live in a million. Oh, million. We live in a million. Sing a one for I'm a better together. Treat your friend like a brother from another mother. Help your friend when never in trouble. Bad man people come million fire before them. Any tower do better them. Almighty never bless them. Take in the year me you wanna come on the back. One minute miracle kaya kaya. Miracle kaya kaya. Miracle kaya kaya. Miracle kaya kaya. DJ man is full of whatever.
Yeah, tell out, ladies and gentlemen. Nah, man, like I told you, we're ready on your favorite radio. And this time around up, I got my man DJ Procky in the building. And I myself, MC Rock in the house. Well, I just want to welcome you back from that marvelous performance from my brother, Dr. Flexi.
And that Jenny baby there.
Jenny baby. You know what I mean? That was so marvelous. That was so nice.
Lady Jenny baby.
Lady Jenny baby. Yeah. Did you know that and what? They saw her live performing here. Some of us also saw Dr. Flexi coming around. But then we also heard one of the DJs what you going
DJs where we're in the mix.
Yeah.
We had DJ Young, DJ Tompo.
Yeah. They were trying to do
and
the
of
best,
course,
man. We also heard DJ Blackstone
and
DJ Procky.
And of course, we are still here.
At the back of the radio, so they were trying to work out things so that we can all get clear and everything is just fun.
Yeah.
Like we told you tonight wasn't just a radio show. That is why you couldn't just have Blackstone and Procky on the same platform. You had to involve a lot of people like MC Rock, like DJ Young, like DJ Tompo, and many more other people had to attend this.
And of course, we had Kennedy Bobie in the building.
Entertainment, man, trying to put us on the wave, you know.
I mean, everything we are doing here was going live on YouTube, live to your Facebook,
live,
straight from Kennedy Bobie Entertainment page.
And Unity FM page.
Yeah.